Welcome, lovely viewers. Welcome to the DigiSales video channel on YouTube. Today we are going to talk about how to sell a service. How do you sell a service? Now, if you watch the previous video, we created a service. We recorded a service called trim. Today we want to sell trim to a working client or a registered client. So, how do we sell a service? There are two ways in dealing with this. We either go the selling sales, then you select stock sales or service sale. If you have the wholesale version, there will be bulk sales as an additional function to these two. But with this software, we are using the retail version. There shall be other videos on bulk sales, so we can dive into that another time. So back to selling services. So how do we sell the services? You can either use the tab, go to sales and come to service sales, or come straight here, sales by service, and click on it, and then the sales window opens for you to issue your sales. How do you start? You search for trim because we have registered trim. So here we have two trim, but the service code differentiates the trim. So let's look at trim with the service code 12TD because that is what we have entered for these demonstration purposes. So you select it and watch. You see that the information had been populated here. So you enter the quantum of service the working client requested for. Maybe they are 1, maybe they are 2. So for this demonstration, let's say it was only 1 working client, so I enter 1 trim. You realize it has done the calculation and given us 20. So we add to cart. That is how we prepare our sales. So you keep adding till what the working client needs from services has been met. After that, click on open extra page. Select the condition of the service, new. Select the sales mode, cash, and close extra page. Enter the amount that was given to you, and then the change will be calculated here. You have the command for selling as an icon here. So you click on it. The system tells you sales is completed. You now confirm by clicking on OK.
Thanks for patronizing our services.
The computer now, or the system now, gives a voice prompt congratulating the working client for patronizing their services. This is where you can issue your receipts through the receipt printer or close if you do not wish to issue receipts. This is the full receipt template with DigiSales. Thank you very much for watching.